Okay, same knife as the other night. Gerber light blade. Clip on the side, which I don't like because it's not very tight. So let's see where we got a hit at here. I'm gonna put a mark right here just so I can see. Maybe right there somewhere. About where we need to hit. Yeah, there or somewhere slightly ahead of that. Okay. Go with that. One. Look, it's stuck. Stuck and the handle closed. That's stuck pretty deep too. Something wrong with the angle of the camera. I don't know. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it. I don't really like damaging it with this one. 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Stuck really deep. Really deep. So anyway, yeah, the trick to this is just working the grain of the wood. So if you're throwing at wood, the grain's going that direction, make sure you're throwing the knife like that. One flip.